Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. After there were rumors that Kaizer Chiefs are pursuing Arthur Zwane and also Manqoba Mngqithi to come and assist the incoming head coach Fernando da Cruz, AmaZulu put those rumors to bed, with the club giving Arthur Zwane a new deal with the club. The 52-year-old tactician has been with Osuthu since October 2024, when he initially arrived with Vusumuzi Vilakazi as co-coaches following the dismissal of Spanish manager Pablo Franco Martin. The duo steered the team together until Vilakazi unexpectedly tendered his resignation, with Arthur Zwane remaining as the sole head coach. His previous deal was set to expire at the end of June, and the KZN outfit has moved swiftly to secure Zwane's services, with the former Kaizer Chiefs coach penning pen to paper to a new 2-year contract, which includes a club's option to extend for 2 more seasons again. The renewal comes on the back of an impressive campaign where Zwane guided Osuthu to a 4th place finish in the Betway Premiership, accumulating 47 points from 30 games. Although AmaZulu missed out on the CAF Confederations Cup qualification spot, the club's management believes that Zwane is the right man to lead the club once again. Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of those rumors that Kaizer Chiefs were thinking of bringing Arthur Zwane and Manqoba Mngqithi back to Kaizer Chiefs as assistant coaches to Fernando da Cruz, and AmaZulu making sure that they give him a new deal to sign before it's too late? Do you think that Zwane made a good choice by remaining with AmaZulu, or do you think that he should have went back to Chiefs? Let me hear your thoughts. Marumo Gallants have announced the appointment of Phuthi Mohafe as their new head coach ahead of the 2026-27 season. Mohafe joins Batlhabane Bantwa from Polokwane City, having guided Rise and Shine to a top 8 finish for a 3rd straight season. The 52-year-old is one of the most underrated coaches in South African football, and during his time with the Limpopo-based outfit, Mohafe recorded 23 wins, 29 losses and 29 draws in 81 games. And now the Bloemfontein-based club announced his appointment in a brief statement. Here is a statement from Marumo Gallants. It says, 21 June 2026, Johannesburg. Marumo Gallants FC is pleased to announce the appointment of Phuthi Mohafe as the club's new head coach. Mohafe joins Marumo Gallants from Polokwane City FC, where he served as the head coach and played a significant role in the club's recent progress and competitive performances in the Premier Soccer League. He is widely respected within South African football circles, and he brings a wealth of coaching experience, strong leadership qualities, and an in-depth understanding of the local football landscape. The club believes that Mohafe's appointment marks an exciting new chapter for Marumo Gallants as the team continues to strengthen its ambition, both on and off the field. His experience within South African football environment and proven ability to work effectively with players at all levels makes him well positioned to lead the club into the future. Mohafe will be supported by the club's management to ensure a smooth transition within the squad as preparations continue for the upcoming season. The club would like to welcome Phuthi Mohafe to Marumo Gallants' family and wish him every success in his new role. Now that's the statement from Marumo Gallants. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Marumo Gallants appointing Phuthi Mohafe as their new head coach not long after he parted ways with Polokwane City? Do you think it's a good move? That's the end of the news. See you next time.